Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error and able to check for update and error occurred. When you try to check for update on your iPhone or iPad and you want to download an update or software update, then it's showing this type of error. So how can you fix it? Just simply open settings, and firstly you have to scroll it down and then you have to tap on general from here. Again scroll it down and then you have to tap on VPN and device management. Then let me show you here. You have to remove your first profile here, so you have downloaded, so you have to delete your downloaded profile from here. Here you have to put your phone passcode, and again you have to tap on remove profile here, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if box is that, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down and then you have to tap on general. Again you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on date and time again, and from here make sure that set automatically to is turned on, and then go back from here. And after that open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on channel, and then you have to tap on iPhone storage. And from here you have to make sure that here the storage is available in your iPhone or iPad. And after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if your person is there, then what you need to do is just simply check for network connection. And if you are using mobile data, then you have to tap on mobile data, and then you have to turn off your mobile data and then turn it on again, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if you're using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi from here, and then from here what you need to do is just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, and then you have to rejoin your Wi-Fi network and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the bounce is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, again scroll it down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you have to reset network setting. So from here you have to put your phone passcode, and after that you have to reset network setting and then check whether form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down, then tap on general, again tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then you have to reset all settings from here. And let me tell you that this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted from your phone. So after doing all these things, what you need to do is just simply restart your device, and after doing all these things hopefully your problem will be fixed. So firstly let me show you here if my problem is fixed or not. As you can see guys, it's showing here any update, as you can see guys. So you have to wait for a while after doing all these tips and tricks. As you can see guys, it's done from here. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.